Hey guys, have you ever wondered if there is a black hole in Kali Linux? Well, there is one. There is a file in Linux, and if you send any output to that file, it will be totally gone. Just like a black hole, if anything goes in black hole, it never comes back. Similarly, this file works. The name of the file is devnull. I hope you heard about it. If you haven't heard, we are going to explain this file to you. So first of all, let me increase the terminal size so that it should be visible to you. So this file is very useful too. For example, if I try to give command echo and just let me write command correctly. Echo, what does echo command do is that it prints whatever we write. Okay, now if I try to execute this program, you can see the codex area has been printed. Now if I just don't want this output to be generated, I just want that this program should run, and that's it. And there are many command when we provide the command, pages and pages of output are generated, and that is really frustrating. So let me just give command echo and complete this, and thereafter I'll redirect it to that particular file, which is dev forward slash and null. And if I press enter, this command has been executed while you can't see it, but it has been redirected to this particular file, and it just got lost in the black hole of Kali Linux. Okay, so it is helpful in many ways. For example, if I just try to navigate to download folder, you'll see how it is helpful. And there is a file, you can see it is the name of the file is freeware. Okay, let me come back to my home directory, and now if I give find command to find that particular file, and just let me come back. And what is the name of the file? The name of the file is freeware. Okay, so let me try to make you understand what I did. I wrote find command to find this particular file. I gave path. Path is root directory. Under root, you have to find this. Type of the file is f, which indicates that I'm trying to find a file, and name is iname. Here, I indicates that it is not case sensitive. Okay, so FEWM it could be a capital letter as well, small letter also. It will try to find using that. Okay, so whatever the if there is any error while finding this, it will redirect to this. For example, let me just remove this and try to show you how the output will look. And if I press enter, you can see how the output is coming, right? So it is very hard for us to find where that particular file is. Although we know where the file is, but still, suppose we didn't know, we just knew the name of the file. So it was difficult for us to find this now. So what we're going to do that we'll write the name again, and thereafter we will redirect it to to indicates that error directly. Okay, sorry, whatever the error messages or output will come, it will redirect it to dev slash null. And if I run it, sorry, let me just write it again. I forgot to provide that forward slash, and this is the actual path. And if I press enter, you can see all this error output has been sent to our black hole of Kali Linux, and the original output, or you could say the output, the required output is here. This file is in downloads and fuel, which we saw earlier, right? So this is how black hole of Kali Linux work, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in next video, guys. Happy hacking. Bye bye.